Hey friends, it's Jenny, and today I'm doing a little cooking. Come with me. I'm making some lunch here. I burned my lunch! Pretend this is really hot. See all the smoke? This is gonna lead to our little talk today. So, if you burn your food sometimes, as we all do, and your smoke detector goes off, this is your reminder, because it's springtime, even though it's maybe 35 degrees outside, but it's springtime here in Chicago, which means it's time to change your batteries in your smoke detector for when you burn your lunch. And your smoke detector's in CO2, so if you zoom in here, this one has a little pocket to change your battery. Close that puppy right up and mount it back up. It connects the red and black wires back to your ceiling. So your smoke detectors and your CO2s. Also, because it's springtime, change your filters in your furnace, and when the ground isn't so mushy, clean out your gutters, because a lot of junk gets in there over the winter time. So, smoke detectors, CO2s, furnace filters, gutters, spring cleanup, and maintenance, house maintenance tips for you, okay? I'm gonna go eat my it's supposed to be burned, but it's really just frozen still lunch. See ya.